What if everything we've ever known, every mountain, ocean, and city, even time itself, was pulled into the jaws of an invisible monster lurking in the cosmos? Imagine Earth drifting too close to a black hole, the most destructive force in the universe. What would happen to our planet, to humanity, and to the very fabric of reality itself? Today, we're stepping into the ultimate cosmic nightmare. What if Earth was swallowed by a black hole? Black holes are born when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, compressing their mass into a single point of infinite density, called a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, an invisible boundary where escape is impossible. Not even light can break free, making a black hole the universe's perfect trap. Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted them back in 1915, but for decades they remained only on paper, strange solutions to equations. It wasn't until 2019 that the first real image of a black hole stunned the world, revealing the glowing halo of light around a cosmic abyss. But what if instead of observing one from millions of light years away, Earth found itself caught in its grasp? Let's imagine two scenarios. One where Earth slowly drifts toward a black hole, and one where it suddenly appears nearby. If a black hole appeared close to our solar system, its gravity would instantly disrupt everything. Planets would be flung from orbit, comets dragged in, and even the sun itself could be consumed. At first, we'd notice subtle but terrifying changes. Tides rising unpredictably, weather collapsing into chaos, satellites falling, and the night sky bending strangely. Stars would appear distorted as the black hole's gravity bent light, creating eerie curves and warped patterns known as gravitational lensing. As Earth drew closer, the difference in gravity across the planet would stretch it apart, a deadly process scientists call spaghettification. Continents would rip, oceans would boil into vapor, and then the atmosphere itself would be stripped away, leaving Earth a broken husk. From the surface, the black hole wouldn't look like a void, but like a blinding storm of destruction, with a glowing accretion disk of superheated matter spiraling around it. Einstein showed us that intense gravity bends not just space, but time, and near a black hole, time slows dramatically. To us, moments would feel stretched, but to distant observers, Earth would appear frozen forever at the edge of the event horizon. Yet for those of us on the planet, the end would be anything but slow. As Earth crossed the event horizon, all laws of physics would collapse. Light would vanish, matter would compress, and time would stretch into forms we can't comprehend. Every story, every memory, every trace of human history would disappear into silence. But could anything of us remain inside? The answer is no. Not in any form we'd recognize. Matter inside a black hole collapses into the singularity, crushed into infinite density. Still, some theories suggest information might not be truly lost. The planet would be uninhabitable long before the final plunge, and no ship or technology could outrun the pull once we were too close. Civilizations would crumble, cultures would vanish, and all life would end in the shadow of the cosmic abyss. But for the universe, Earth's destruction would be nothing unusual. No monuments, no archives, no signals could resist the pull of a black hole. It is the one true full stop in existence. Still, thinking about this also shows us how fragile and rare our world really is. Scientists study black holes not just out of fear, but because they hold the deepest secrets of the universe. They may help us unlock new physics, reveal what lies beyond space and time, and perhaps reshape our understanding of existence. Until then, black holes remain both a warning and a wonder, reminders of the power and mystery that surround us. So what if Earth was swallowed by a black hole? It would mean the end of our story, erased in darkness, lost to the pull of gravity itself. But as long as the sky above still holds stars, the real story isn't about endings. It's about how we choose to live before the final page turns. If you found this journey into the cosmos fascinating, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel,